Luca, you throw the hammer to me. I was bugbog already. Then you throw a hammer. It's okay. Thank you for the tap tap. Luca is a girl or a boy? Luca, are you a girl or a boy? Sorry to if you don't mind me asking. Jerick M, hello. Tap the screen. Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. I understand. Sometimes both. Maybe it depends on the situation, right? Thank you, Jerick. So now I know. Hi, Jill. Guys, tap the screen. No money, no money. Mostly boy. Are you doing live also, Luca? So that I confirm if you're a boy or a girl. Oh no, okay. Mm. Why me? I don't have a title gifter. Nothing. I'm just having marites while I'm doing live. Thank you, Luca, for the rose. I will plant. Wow.